my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, where did it come from? Where'd you get it? Oh my god! Is it so cute? Oh my god! Oh my god! What is it? I know. Happy birthday. No, don't get upset. This is your fault.
Hi, baby boy. Hi, baby boy. Oh, my baby boy. You come back to me.
This unexpected gift not only brightened this grandfather's day, but also the rest of his life.
Oh, baby.
Look at her. She's such a little teeny.
This mine? No way. Hi, Avery. Really? Uh-huh. This is what my present was?
His dream of becoming a human cane, Corso, finally came true. Surely he'll devote his whole heart to this dog.
This is she. This is the girl. She doesn't have a name yet.
A new friend is probably the best Christmas gift this dog has been waiting for a long time.
We got him a present! Oh my goodness!
Oh my god!
What is it? Huh?
Oh my god!
What is it? Oh my god, what is it, Nico? ¿Cómo se dice?
Thank you!
Oh, thank you,
No need for an expensive gift when this dog completely satisfies the boy's happiness with its surprise. Surprise sometimes brings the greatest joy when this grandmother knows that she's never alone with her puppy.
What? Where are we going?
We're going to the animal shelter.
No, we're not! No, we're not! No, we're not! Oh my gosh! No way! No way! No way! No way!
That dog is the perfect special gift to bring magic to this little boy's soul. I hope they'll have an unforgettable time together.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
The little girl never expected that her parents would give her a special friend. There are not enough words to express her true feelings right now.
Oh my goodness! I love this!
Even though she'd gone through every emotion in life, this grandmother could not hide tears of gratitude.
Oh, you're precious. How old is it?
This is eight weeks.
What?
Happy birthday. No, I swear to God.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You got the dog.
That's not right.
There There are countless ways for parents to fill their children's hearts, and giving a puppy to their daughter was the perfect choice for these parents.
What name?
More than Santa's Christmas gift, this furry gift is what makes his Christmas complete.
It's a boy. What? Oh my goodness!
How did you do that? From where? Which one is this? You lied to me? About which one?
I picked him up this morning.
Where?
Look at him.
What's his name?
I don't know.
Hi.
You're kidding me.
The sudden joy of welcoming a new family member left him unable to believe what was happening, but he's ready to give all of his love.
Oh, she's yours. No, you're joking. She's yours. You're joking. You're kidding me.
Magic of a puppy is invisible, but it has the endless impact that gives her the happiest moments of life.
Look at her. What did you get?
That box deserves to be a magical box, as it's brought the little girl to a paradise of joy immediately.
Three. I love you.
These puppies help the husband successfully summon the happy smiles of his wife. These are the children everyone loves.
Are you gonna cry?
Do you want it now?
Yeah, want it.
Say hello to Wembley.
Hello, Wembley.
Do you love him? Look at his face.
Oh my God.
It's for you. That's all the puppy stuff.
Being a lucky person in life is not difficult when the unexpected presence of this dog helps her so much.
Put the little hat on. Yes.
Making her forget her age and enjoy herself like a child who can't hide her excitement is this puppy's power.
Like that. No, it's fake.
More than an early birthday gift for this boy, that furry friend is bound to be his companion through many moments.
Oh, Doggy likes you.
Even though he's 1 year older, he becomes a child again when Mickey the puppy brings it so great.
Oh, that's so cool. But it's taking
I
me.
know you wanted to, but we couldn't do that.
Hey, buddy. For real?
You get to name him.
Oh, that's so cool.
You get to name him.
Oh, that's so cool.
Learning the true definition of happiness is so simple when the appearance of this furry friend helps him. Sometimes tears can completely replace all the words to express the happiness of having this new friend. Becoming a human dog is the unexpected wish of us all. So, be with your dog more.